Holy crap. This Aussie lift is unlocked. Oh my god. This thing's never been unlocked before. Oh my god, it's slow. Great for these little games. I think it's an Orion, Oculus Orion. Doors doesn't have Fermator doors, so it's a surprise. They make their own controllers apparently, or they lifts. Cab. Oh, no, open. Okay, I guess I go straight up. Don't know what happened there. Oh, right up. Build quality. Oh my god, this feels so good quality. Actual. It doesn't wobble at all. Holy crap, this thing's actually really impressive. Like, how's this thing better built than like a really high-end 2000 kilogram Gen 2? That's ridiculous. This thing's better quality than that. All the way right down. I like the lights behind that COP, it looks nice. It is definitely a good choice for like a home lift because it's actually like really good quality feeling. Has Fermator doors though, so that's a bit of a letdown, but still. That thing is really nice. Look how shook the plastic ground is to it. The door is as well. Don't need much pitch space at all. Yeah, that thing's really nice.